guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video to my online friends, you guys, at thebomb.com. Thank you so much for always tuning in and being supportive. Mwah, I love you guys. And if you're new here, you've got to get comfortable, okay? For those of you who watch me often, this is my new recording space. I finally got my basement cleared out, so welcome to my new space, okay? Right, let's get on with it, okay? So for this week's video, I want to show you how I got from this to this. I want to show you how I'm able to refresh and get the first day curls on day 6. Yeah, that's right. It's wash day today, it's day 7. Yesterday was day 6 and my hair looked like that because I needed to go somewhere today. So what I did overnight is what I want to share with y'all. Okay, so go and get your tea if you want to watch it, okay? Okay, so just before I go through exactly what I did to get these curls on day 6 of wash day, usually my hair needs to be detangled, it's really frizzy, and the curl definition isn't really there, you know, it's struggling. So I just want you to have a look at the hair right now. We've got great definition, especially on the top. I mean, look at this. Look at that. But you can actually see that there's a lot of frizz here. A lot of frizz. Nobody needs to know, okay? How would they know, eh? We're just gonna leave that there and we'll deal with that later on today. Anyway, enough of that. Let me show you exactly what I've been doing. So the very first thing I do is always check the moisture level. Is my hair moisturized? Does it feel moisturized? Does it look moisturized? Or is my hair feeling dry? And just getting a chance to softly take out some shed hair. So far, this is all that I managed to take out. Bearing in mind that tomorrow will be wash day, so I'll be able to detangle further. So what I like to do is go and section my hair. So I go and wrap up this half of the hair while I work on the other side of my hair. Once I put the water-based product in my hair is going to curl up even more. And then I go ahead and make sure that my hair is just a little bit more free of tangles. So it's really important that I get as much detangling done as possible. Okay, so once I'm happy with that, I always like to go in with some warm water, just enough to be able to add a little bit of moisture in. Now quickly before that dries, because my hair dries really quickly, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner by Amaré-Me. And it doesn't really matter how you do this, but I like to go in with my sandwich or praying hands, remembering that I've already got product on my hair and I don't want to overload it. You can see the product already working and already starting to define and keep that moisture in my hair. Next, I need something that's going to really help define my curls and leave shine and moisture, and that can only be the Amaré-Me Curl Defining Jelly. You can see how nicely moisturized and defined this side of my hair is now compared to this side. Okay, so let's get to work. First of all, we spray with warm water. Just a little bit, mind, we do not want to drench it. I'm using those praying hands again, just say a little prayer as you're doing this, eh? And then again, I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner from Amaré-Me. At this point my hair is almost dry, but because I use just a little of each of the products, it shouldn't take too long to actually dry. So for bed, my hair needs to go in a pineapple, otherwise my curls will be all squished. So this is a large silk scrunchie that I use and is perfect. It just holds my curls at the top, and my curls won't have any kind of pressing to change the curl pattern. So when I do a pineapple like this, as you can see, all of my curls are pushed forward, which means it's less likely that my curl pattern will change. I use an extra large satin bonnet. This is reversible, where I know that all my hair can fit into, and it's fully adjustable also. So in the morning, my hair is usually really nicely defined and the curls are hardly touched. And having my hair in a loose pineapple overnight usually gives my hair that little bit of body at the root section. So when my hair goes down, I've still got some body and some height at the root. Listen, nobody likes the flat head, okay? Now, because the curl defining jelly has a really great hold, it has a maximum hold, there's usually a cast on your hair. So I like to go in with the Mel's Butter Me Up by Amaré-Me, and just by using a tiny amount, and because there's so much definition, there's definitely going to be some shrinkage. So what I like to do is go in again with the same large silk scrunchie, and I'm going to band my hair. I normally keep it on my hair for about 20 minutes and it will just stretch my hair just a little bit, but my curls, the definition is still there. And I never put it too tight so it hurts my scalp or manipulates my hair too much. Now after 20 minutes, you guarantee that I remove the silk scrunchie, and voila, I've got myself a hairstyle for the day. Now in the morning, my hair will be completely dry and I'll be able to go in there and use the pick just to create that extra volume where needed. And that's it. That's all I did. With curl definition that looks like it was just washed and nobody will know, okay? Okay guys, so that's it. That's exactly what I've been doing to get this hair looking refreshed and revived, defined, and keep the shine overnight. My hair is not greasy, I haven't overloaded it with product, and it's still maintained a lot of body, definition, and you know, it's looking mighty fine. As I mentioned before, I was not ready to wash the hair yesterday, and you know what it's like sometimes, sis, you're not ready for it, okay? You just ain't got time. So this overnight method really cuts my time, and it always gives me that fresh, healthy, defined look that I'm going for. My hair literally stayed like this all day. I'm so pleased with it. I mean, it's annoying because I will be washing my hair later on today. It's like, sis, why don't you just go another day? But no, this scalp needs cleaning, okay? I hope that this video has helped you in refreshing your hair. All right, so I'm going now, guys. I'm going to wash my hair. I'll leave all the details for the products in the description bar below. Don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you know somebody that just needs to refresh their curls before washing it, please do share my video. Let me know in the comments down below what you have to do before wash day to refresh your curls, to make your curls look like it's on day one. And one other thing, guys, I have so many requests for me to film a week in my hair. Hey, that is a long video, okay? I can't put it in a 10-minute video. I just can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload every single day for a week. I said it. It's out there now. If you're looking forward to seeing something like that, please let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll proceed. Let me know what you think, okay? All right, guys, I'm going now because I've got to wash my hair. Got to wash it, got to stick to the routine, darling. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you again in my next one, and remember, God loves you. Mwah. Bye.